Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be what's in my carry-on because as you're watching this, if everything goes to plan, I am currently in Hawaii and I'm so excited. Okay, I'm just so excited. Anyways, I thought I would share with you guys what I bring with me on flights because I have traveled a fair amount now and I don't particularly like traveling that much. I don't really enjoy being on an airplane. I mean, does anyone really like it that much? I don't know. But I have found a few things that I like to bring with me when I travel and I'm going to share them with you guys. This is the bag, as you can see in the background. This is the same backpack as the one that I shared in my what I bring to university with me or what's in my school bag, and I'm also using this on my flight. If you're bringing like a laptop, this is probably not the best bag. I mean, it does fit, and I did go like a couple semesters using this as my main bag for school with a laptop and all my books and stuff in it, but it just isn't super comfortable when it's too heavy. So I not bring my laptop on this trip. My goal is to be off the computer, off the internet as much as humanly possible. Oh, someone's calling me. I really truly do not remember the last thing I said. I just want to preface this video by saying that I am like fighting off a cold, so my voice sounds a little bit weird. So if you notice that throughout the video, I am so sorry, but I can't really help it. Like, my voice is more raspy than normal and it's annoying to me, so hopefully it's not annoying to you. And if it is, I'm sorry. And I also should say that I'm only bringing a carry-on on my trip. I'm not, or like two, like this is one of my carry-ons and another one. I'm not bringing like a big suitcase or anything because I'm only gone for just over a week, so I don't think I really need it per se. I probably could fill a whole huge suitcase, but we're not going to do that. This is the bag I'm bringing. Let me unpack it for you. There's a few things not in here right now. One being my water bottle, which I will definitely be bringing, and I highly recommend you bring an empty water bottle with you when you travel so you can fill it up and drink as much water as humanly possible as you're traveling, because really you're locked in like a log shaped piece of metal flying through the air, and there's a bathroom. So you could always use the bathroom when you're up there, but anyways, what did that have to do with anything? I don't know. My sunglasses are also another thing that I always have with me. These are just the Ray-Bans, something everyone has these, I feel like, and they're not really trendy anymore, but they have my prescription in them so I can read in the sun, which is really all I want in life. So there you go. So in the front pocket I have just a few things here. My keys will be going in here. Also my Smash the Patriarchy pen, which my sister sent for me for my birthday. It is literally amazing. It's like a glittery pen and it's everything I could ever want. So let's open up the rest of my bag. I have my book, which I'm currently reading, Ken Follett, Fall of Giants, which is book 1 of the Century trilogy. I love Ken Follett. I used to read him a lot like a couple years ago, and I hadn't read him for a long time, so I picked this up and I'm really excited. It's a big book, so this will maybe last me the whole trip, but I also brought another book just in case it doesn't, so this is what I'll be reading on the plane. Also have my wallet, and I stopped using a like conventional wallet like a year ago, I would say. I just carry like this little pouch now. It's probably one of the most complimented things that I own. Like, people always compliment me on this, which I think is really funny because I'm a 23-year-old woman carrying around a glittery wallet. No shame, but you know. So this is my wallet. I love it. It's glittery, it's fun, fresh, fly, wonderful. Have my passport and my Nexus card, which if you don't know what a Nexus is, it's basically like a trusted travelers program. I have had mine since I was a young kid, and yeah, it's just really nice to get through lines faster and makes life easy. So there you go, gotta have the passport. I have my big headphones. These are awesome because they are like noise canceling. These are the Beats, like just white over the ear kind of headphones, or on ear I guess these would be. They're really nice. I like these a lot for flights because the plane is so loud that I find if I'm wearing just like in-ear headphones that I can't exactly hear my music or my podcast or whatever I'm listening to. So I love these for flights and just for traveling in general, and I just keep them in their little dust bag because I will spill everything on them if I don't. So in here they go. I also have my little Sage Road to Recovery kit This I love bringing with me when I travel because it has these little mini sizes of the Peppermint Halo and the Pain Release essential oils. So if you travel and you tend to feel, you know, some discomfort in your back or you get headaches, this is a really nice little kit to have. I have my skincare pouch. This is a pouch from Glossier and I just filled it with my skincare. I will just quickly go through like what I have in here. It's not like my normal skincare routine. Usually when I travel, my skincare items are too big to travel with, and I also like to kind of give my skin a break from my typical skincare routine when I travel. So I do have the Acure Sensitive Facial Cream, which I haven't been using recently, but I find this is really nice to travel with, especially because the climate's going to be significantly warmer than where I typically am. So it's nice to have this in case my skin gets dry. I have my allergy medication, which is essential. My hand cream, that one I use right now is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I like this because it's fragrance free. When you're like a small space, it's so inconsiderate to like lather on like Bath and Body Works scents. So I like this because it is scent free. I have my Flexidol Eczema Cream. This is just good in case I have a flare-up while I'm away, and this is also pretty minimally scented, so I like that as well. I have my Glossier Balm.com, the coconut one, which is like my all-time favorite, and I literally don't go anywhere without this. It's my favorite thing ever. I have my Blistex Daily Conditioning Treatment. This is one of my favorite lip balms for travel, and honestly the smell is really nostalgic for me because every time I travel somewhere I always buy this because it has an SPF of 20, so it's really perfect for when you're on the beach. People forget to put sunscreen on their lips and then they get burnt lips, and it's like the worst feeling in the world. So don't let that happen, girl. I also have in here my Energy Essential Oil from Sage. I really like this one if I'm feeling kind of tired and low energy. Just a nice little thing to have on hand. I also have a Satya Organic Skincare or Organic Eczema Relief. This is like a little solid kind of creamy product that I use on my eczema also. It's also just good for like any dry skin that you may have, and again it's a scent-free product, so it's not like it's going to disturb people around you. I find that like with essential oils the scents aren't as like potent for people who are around you, whereas like those artificial scents, like people have very strong reactions to them. I brought one little sample of a perfume that I got at Sephora. It's Prada Candy, which I feel like I had a sample of in the past, and I just thought in case we go out. And then for my skincare, I got a little travel kit from Sephora of these First Aid Beauty products, and I thought this would be like a perfect opportunity to use them as I'm traveling because, like I said, a lot of my skincare is too big to use as a carry-on. So this has the Pure Skin Facial Cleanser with Fab Antioxidant Booster. I have used this before and I do like it. It's good. I also have the Ultra Repair Cream. I've never used this before, but I've heard it's like a cult favorite. I'm not exactly sure if you're supposed to use it on your face. It says head to toe, so I guess you can use it on your face. And I also have the Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. Helps hydrate, smooth, and recharge, safe for sensitive skin. And the Resurfacing Liquid, 10% AHA. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to use this one, but the rest of them I'm really excited to try. And like I said, they're easy to travel with because they're small. So that's everything in my kind of like skincare bag. In my makeup little bag, which is another Glossier little pouch, I have just like really the essentials for me, and I'm not bringing a lot of makeup. I don't really tend to wear a lot of makeup when I'm on vacation, so this is really like true to what I use the most. I have a Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Pencil. I absolutely love this. I think I'm pretty much out of this, and I use the spoolie on it. This is like a really great brow product. I have my e.l.f. foundation blurring brush. I love this brush. I find that using a brush is better for me than a sponge personally, but yeah, so that's my little brush that I use for my foundation. For foundation, when I wear it, I use the IT Cosmetics CC cream with SPF 50, which is amazing for travel, and I have the shade Light. So there you go. I've been using this recently and I've been absolutely loving it. I have the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Light, and then I also picked it up in the shade Fair, which I didn't realize they were different. I thought they were the same for some reason because I guess sometimes life hands you lemons. So yeah, 2 of those. I have a Buxom lip gloss. This is like my favorite lip gloss of all time, and it's in Dolly. It's the full-on lip cream, and I love this. And then I have my Glossier Boy Brow in Blonde, which also I love. And last but not least is my Hourglass ambient lighting palette, and I like this just for when I'm on vacation because give yourself a nice glow to the skin, and I really don't feel like I need any other makeup than this. You can probably tell I don't really use any eye products. I don't wear mascara or anything like that, so this is just the very essentials that I like to bring with me on vacation. Then I have some snacks. So I got these Kind bars. This is mango, apple, chia, fruit and chia bars. So I just got these because I thought they'd be like a good fruit snack. Lots of fiber in them. I find that when you're traveling, sometimes you stop pooping, so that's not good. So I like to avoid that as much as possible. So I have these, and I've never tried them before, so we'll see how that goes. And then I have the Lara bar in the peanut butter flavor. I know these aren't like my favorite, but for in a pinch, they're really nice. And yeah, they taste good. They have some protein in them. I also have my reusable like phone charger that I can charge my phone with. I mean, really, when you're in the airport or when you're flying, you're on your phone a lot, listening to podcasts, watching videos, whatever you do. So it's good to have your phone charger with you. And one of my nerdier favorite things to do on the plane is to play Sudoku. This book I've actually almost finished, so I might have to get another one while I'm traveling this time. Like, I'm literally almost done, but I love Sudoku. It's one of those things that I don't know, I just find it so satisfying and just so much fun. So I always bring this with me when I travel, and if I start to feel like anxious or whatever, Sudoku it is. And last but certainly not least, I have just some Tylenol or Advil in case I get a headache and my like natural remedies aren't cutting it with my essential oils and stuff. Sometimes you just have to go to the drugs. That's everything that I'm bringing in my carry-on. I think my phone is another thing that I will definitely have with me, as well as my water bottle, like I said in the beginning. But other than that, that's everything. So I'm pretty minimalist when I travel, and I always like to go into the shops in airports and like pick up a few things, more snacks, magazines, anything else that I feel that I need in the moment. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what your essentials are for your traveling. If you're traveling at all this summer, where are you going? Can I come with you? So yeah, thanks guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. And hopefully the next time you see me, I'm more tan. And if not, well, yeah, who's surprised? Not me. Okay, bye guys!